Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your GoodNotes files to Google Drive for easy access across multiple devices, you are in the right place. I will show you how to connect GoodNotes to Google Drive and sync your documents securely. Let's get started. First of all, you need to have the Google Drive app installed on your iPhone or iPad. To do this, open the App Store, search for Google Drive, and tap Install. It's a free app, and you will need it to manage your backups. Once it's installed, open the Google Drive app and um, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account. Google Drive will automatically sync all your documents and take them accessible from your any uh, device. Now open the GoodNotes app. Once you are inside, tap the gear icon in the upper left corner to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on iCloud and Backup. This is where you will manage your document, backups, and sync option. Under the backup section, tap backup to Google Drive. If you haven't linked your Google Drive account yet, you will be prompted to log in. Enter your credentials and grant GoodNotes access to your Google Drive. Once you are signed in, you can enable automatic backups. This way, GoodNotes will back up your file. This way, GoodNotes will back up your files to Google Drive at regular intervals. So you don't have to worry about losing your work. You can also manually backup your GoodNotes documents anytime by tapping on Backup Now. This is useful if you want to backup a specific document after making major changes. Now that your file are backup, Now that your files are backed up, you can easily access them from any device. Simply open the Google Drive app and find the GoodNotes folder. You will see all your documents that were backed up from GoodNotes. To download a file, tap on it and select download. You can then open the file in GoodNotes or any other app that supports PDF files. And that's it. Now you know how to connect GoodNotes to Google Drive and back up your notes securely. With automatic backups, you can rest easy knowing your documents are safe. You, if you found this tutorial help, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching.